Today we're in Carmarthen exploring this beautiful 4-bedroom detached family home in one of Wales's oldest towns. Now this home perfectly blends modern luxury with countryside living and it's valued at £550,000. Now that seems like a pretty reasonable price, and we're actually located in one of the UK's most affordable towns. Now, before we get into the tour, it's going to be a little bit different today because this house is actually part of a competition with 7 days performance, meaning you could win it for just £1.99. So for less than the price of a coffee, you could have this beautiful home in the Welsh countryside. But I'll get into all the details throughout the tour. For now, let's start here and have a look at the exterior. Now, the architecture of this property feels very clean and modern. They've got a mix of smooth render with the contrasting cladding, which makes it feel very premium and contemporary. You'll also notice the dramatic front glazing there, which adds height and impact, and that is actually privacy glass. So when you're upstairs, you're secluded, but it just frames the countryside views beautifully. You're surrounded by the West Wales countryside, so there's riverside walks and nearby beaches, yet you're just minutes away from the historic town of Carmarthen, which has shops, cafes, restaurants and direct transport links into Swansea, Cardiff and beyond. So it really is the best of both worlds. And this is the exact kind of property that we love showcasing. There are so many incredible developments across the UK that deserve more attention. So if you have a new development that you'd like more people to know about, we'd love to hear from you. We help bring great schemes to a wider audience. So get in touch on hello@thenewbuildshow.com and your development could be next. Right, if you are planning on entering this competition, I'm sure you would like to see inside, so follow me and let's check it out. Wow, now this is a very impressive entrance hallway. I mean, first of all, look at the size of it. You have so much space in here. It feels incredibly bright and airy too. Now on the flooring, they've gone for this gorgeous marble effect glossy tile, which adds a subtle sense of luxury and also reflects the light beautifully. Now this is also underfloor heated as well throughout the whole ground floor, which is a lovely touch. The black staircase here as you walk in is a bit of a feature, and it also feels almost sculptural compared to these crisp white walls. Now, so you can get a better understanding of the layout, this home is quite unique. So this ground floor accommodates 2 bedrooms, which are behind me, as well as a family bathroom. And then just here is a bit of handy extra storage. So that's good for your coats, your shoes, bags. And then we also have direct access through to your garage. But first of all, let's go and explore the bedrooms. Having bedrooms down here works brilliantly, whether that's for guests, children, teenagers, or multi-generational living. It gives everyone their own space. Now, this first bedroom is pretty generous in size. We've got a double bed and some lovely natural light coming in through the windows. And this features a Jack and Jill ensuite. So I'll meet you on the other side. Here we are. So we have a rainfall shower in here. And I was just thinking, if you do have younger kids, I'm sure they would absolutely love it. These 2 bedrooms here, sharing a bathroom, that would be ideal. Now, just to show you how versatile the space is, they've actually got it set up at the moment in here as a bit of a snug. But I mean, you could do what you like with this room. There is plenty of options. And also this room, if you did have it as a bedroom, you'd basically have your own private terrace, because these doors here lead out to a decking area, and just around the corner there is a hot tub, but we'll show you more of that later. For now, let's have a look at the bathroom. Okay, this is another very wow room. How luxurious is it in here? So we've got the same flooring as we had in the entrance hall, but the tiles actually go all the way up the walls as well, just making it even more premium in here. Now we've also got this recessed LED lighting on the ceiling and the backlit niches here, which again, just make it feel like a hotel spa in here. Now the statement bath over here too, a lovely touch. This is finished in a brushed gold. And another thing I've noticed is the mirror has some pretty cool features. So we have a light on here, and we also have a demisting, you know, to demist when you've got out of the shower. And then we also have even your own Bluetooth connection in here. Now that's pretty cool. Then just through here, we have direct access through to the garage. This is currently set up as a gym at the minute, but I think this would actually make a great utility room, a great place to pop all your things you don't want on display in the main house. I mentioned that the layout of this home is quite unique, so the living areas have been moved up to the middle floor to make the most of the views. So let's go and have a look. So this whole floor is the living areas and it's very expansive, but my favourite part of this whole home is just over here, so let me show you. Look at this for a feature window. This makes the space feel so open and bright, and also features this beautiful light fixture too. Now, there is actually a cash prize alternative for this house, so if you do enter the competition, you could win it or take the cash instead. But to be honest with you, looking out at that view, I think I'd be staying put. Welcome into the heart of the home, which is this beautiful open plan kitchen, which flows seamlessly on to your dining and living areas, which we'll show you in a moment. But first of all, we have to explore this incredible kitchen because it's absolutely huge. I mean, the kitchen literally goes the whole length of this room, which is a large room anyway. Now, appliances wise in here, fully integrated. We've got your double oven just here and also integrated coffee machine, which I absolutely love. Now, these are very sleek wall and base units and they're topped with a granite worktop, so it really matches the aesthetic that we saw on the outside, which is very clean and contemporary. Now, storage is absolutely not going to be an issue. I've had a little look. I mean, I love how these open as well by the touch of a finger, and there is just so many storage options. I mean, it's all the way along here and the other side of the island. We've even got an integrated dishwasher here too. Loads of prep space for preparing the food, washing up, double sinks here too. And then just down here, you've also got your full height fridge and freezer. Now, they've also done a really great job in here with the lighting. I mean, I love the recessed lighting here on all of the cabinetry. This would look lovely in the evening time. And they've got these beautiful pendant lights above the island. And what a great sized island this is. I love it when a kitchen has an island of this size, because realistically, this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time, whether it's a morning coffee, a glass of wine in the evening, or if you've got the kids doing a bit of homework, it's definitely going to be well used. Now, as I said earlier, lots of storage in here. We even have it going all the way along this side of the island too. And they've positioned the induction hob actually on the island too, which is actually quite practical and makes the room a bit more sociable, because it means when you've got guests over, you're not going to have your back facing to them and you can be chatting to your guests while you're cooking. This area has been split up into two different zones. So we've got your lounge area here, and just behind me, the dining area, which is really nicely positioned because you get the beautiful natural light coming in. Now, this lounge area, although we are in the same room, it does feel slightly separate. It feels warmer and more refined in here. We've got some clean lines, we've got soft curves and also subtle lighting. So it does feel nice and relaxed. Just opposite me is space for a huge TV, and I haven't mentioned this yet, but absolutely everything comes included, so even down to the coffee table. Now, another thing I love in this room is the fireplace just over there. It makes it feel even more cosy in here, and I can just imagine myself sitting in front of that on a rainy day in Wales. And it is one of those Welsh rainy days today. We will keep this nice and brief out here, but I just really wanted to show you the decking here, because you actually get quite a lot of space. You could have multiple seating areas out here, and I mean, on a summer's day, it would be a lot nicer. Not only do we have the balcony outside, we also, beneath me, as you can see, have this Astro Turf, which wraps around nearly all of the property and also features a hot tub. I mean, today isn't the best day to be showing you this, and I'm definitely not wearing the right outfit, so I think I'll meet you back inside. Back inside now, I'm going to take you up to the top floor in a moment to show you the rest of the bedrooms. But before we do so, I just want to appreciate how incredible this piece of artwork is. It fits so well with some of the bold and unique features we've seen in this home, and also the sheer scale of it. I mean, you can see it next to me. It's a pretty large painting, but let's go and explore the rest of the bedrooms. Welcome to the top floor. Now, this level accommodates 2 bedrooms and a family bathroom. Let's go and explore this one first. Now, this is currently set up as a guest suite, but since we're up here on the top floor, I feel like this is an incredibly versatile room. So this is where I want to ask you what you would do with the space. I'll share my idea first. So picture this, a home cinema up here. So we've got a big screen, surround sound, dark coloured walls, mood lighting, like a proper hideaway. Okay, I won't get carried away, but let us know what you do with this space in the comments below. Into the bathroom up here. Now, this features a lovely walk-in shower and also the same cool mirror that we saw downstairs, which has the different lighting options, and you can also demist it. Now, this is a bedroom that I have named the Principal Suite because to me, this feels like the biggest and most luxurious bedroom. We have double aspect windows up here, so even up on the top floor, there is lovely natural light coming in. Also over here, just to show you the scale of the room, there is space for a vanity section. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's tour. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you would like any more information on how to enter this prize draw and have the chance at winning this house, all of the information will be in the description box below. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Hello New Build Show, I'm Millie and today we are exploring Stonewood's latest development, the Old Timber Yard here in Wiltshire.